I want to say a very big welcome to all the teens and youths in the house, to the beloved teen of the beloved teens ministry, to this section of skill acquisition for the year 2026. Uh, Before we go into what we have for the day, I want to quickly make us understand what skill acquisition is all about. When we talk about skill acquisition is all about learning and teaching, learning and teaching, or acquiring new techniques to bring about new products that is already in existence that wanted to add more value to it, or that is not in existence. So it's new completely. That's what skill acquisition is all about. And this skill acquisition is in three stages. We have the cognitive stage, we have the cognitive stage, we have the autonomous stage, and we also have the associative stage. We have the cognitive stage, associative stage, and autonomous stage. Under the cognitive stage, that is where we have the learning of the basics. You learn the basics under the cognitive stage. Then under the associative stage, that is where you practice and refine. It has to do with the practicing and refining what you have learned or what you are learning. Then the autonomous stage is the stage of mastering the skills which you have acquired or you're trying to acquire, mastering the skills. But for today, by the special grace of God, our focus is going to be on how we can make use of high quality cassava flour in making cassava strips. High quality cassava flour in making cassava strips. In the quest of trying to encourage all the youths and teenagers in the house and in the country at large to make use of what is really readily available as food commodities in the country, to avoid the cost of importing raw materials. So when we make use of our locally made or produced raw materials, then it lessens the price of whatever thing we produce. So in view of this, we try to encourage the youths and the teenagers to make use. And one of the commodities, as I earlier on said, is cassava. Cassava is the staple food that is readily available all over the country. Readily available. So to start with, for the skill acquisition this evening, let's get started and let's meet in the
The first one is beans. Fighting on the